As a renovator, when you're really motivated by your passion for creating beautiful homes, that's a superpower, and it gives you the energy and the motivation to actually really extract the most value out of this strategy. Okay, so you get your own home sold. I probably would suggest that you buy your new one before you sell your old one, provided you can afford to do that. And it doesn't put you under financial stress. So the next property you buy a doer-upper, so that you're buying it at wholesale price rather than going out and buying a smart new apartment that's at full retail price. Buy a doer-upper. And while you're doing that, see if you can get something. Buy a house if you can, and get something that has an opportunity on it to have a secondary dwelling. So once again, I had a Wonder Woman that did this just prior to Christmas. She and her husband bought a doer-upper in North Narrabeen. They got it for a fantastic price. And it also had a quaint little studio that they could rent. Even on long-term rent, it brings in like a substantial amount of income, which really is good when you're that close to retirement.